In this video, I want to show you a really interesting website which is called Unsplash. Unsplash is a website dedicated to sharing, as you can see here. So this means that you can share your photos and you can also get photos, really professional, high quality photos from authors all over the world. So they have a really huge database, a really huge archive of very nice, very professional and amazing pictures that you can download on your computer completely free. You don't have to pay anything. You may contribute in other ways that you will find into the website, but essentially you can download it and use it completely free, even for commercial purposes. If you have, for example, either that you are working on an exam or you are working for a commercial project, you can use this. And of course, you can again contribute to the support for the website and the others. So let's jump inside. So this is the Google search here, and this is the official website. We can access directly into the main page, the home page, and there it is. So it's looking like a normal search, like a normal search engine, but it has also some really nice additional tools that I will show you. First thing we can see here is that we have this search bar and this little icon right here at the right, which is really nice, and this does a really nice job, and I'm gonna show you. So you will click here like that, and you can use this visual search. So basically, if I use a picture that I already have in my computer and I can click here to get this picture from my computer, let's say I want to use let's say this one, which is kind of a architecture project. So it's gonna like search into the it's gonna do this visual search inside the database, and it's showing me 800 results here, and some way they all resemble one way or another this image right here. It's kind of a square, and 3D, so it's gonna show me something that reminds of that image right there. Well, you can make many tests. This is I think the most far image that I can think of, but you can use, for example, images of people or images of landscapes and so on. Let's try with this other one. And I think this is really good when you are doing a project. Exactly, it's showing me now like the screen of a computer, because I have I uploaded a picture of my computer using a software, video editing software. So it's showing me lots of images about computers and desktop, laptops, and so on. So it's really good when you are doing precise search to use this tool together with the normal tool. So if I want to search for example, software, I will definitely do a text search. But again, if I want to get closer to something that looks in a particular way, I can use an image. I can also drag it and drop it directly in this space from the folder. You can also try with these sample images. For example, let's use this plant here, and it's showing me similar images in the search. So I think it's a really wonderful website because, again, let's say, for example, the wallpapers. These look really amazing. This is, I think, a waterfall from Iceland, which I have been. It's so nice, and the picture it's really professional. And we can download this for free by going right here on the top. We can click download free, and just wait, and there you go. So you can save it with a different name. You can use the same name. You can save it any folder in your PC, and also we can add it to our collection. We can just send a normal like. Well, actually, to do many things, you have to be logged in. So you have to create an account or log in with a Facebook. And right here, you can share into many platforms. This photo by Robert Luckman. And so you can basically going to its website, or it's, you know, another form of advertisement maybe. So if I like a picture, I will probably want to know more about the author, which is this one right here. I can also check other photos. And what else? You can share also down here like that. You can also see related photos from other authors. And also, if you click on this arrow, you can choose if you want to download a small, medium, or large. Also the original size. Original size is pretty big. I think it's like 8K or something like that. So it's gonna take a little bit longer, but you will have the full quality, not just a sample, not just like pixelated or with logos and so on. So this is totally free. It's totally open. And let me finally show you one last thing. If we go here on the well, let me see here. Well, you can go back on to the home page and you can check the license terms of use, and you can click this little link, free usable images, and here you have everything explained in details. So you can download and use for free for commercial and non-commercial purposes, no permission needed, and this is what is not permitted right here. So this is to make everything clear. So I think it's a wonderful idea. It's a wonderful website. I will definitely follow this website here. And so thank you for watching. This will be all for this guide. And if you want to see more videos, you can go into our YouTube channel, check out the video page when we will explore a lot of other software websites and so on. And also you can go to the playlist if you want full courses about professional software like Premiere Pro, or for example Cinema 4D, 3ds Max, and others that we will publish in the future. So subscribe, stay updated. If you want to support us, you can go into the community page. You will have a PayPal link, or to the store. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.